I'm here at the Jack in the Box, and that guy just gave me a complimentary shake after buying 2 burgers. So how about that for my friends? That's really nice. That's good. It's very nice. The 2 burgers I bought from Jack in the Box, I just gave them away. Somebody. Kawawa naman. Ito na lang tinira ko. Binigay sa akin to complimentary pa, ha? Di bale. Kasi biglang may malimos habang ako nagdadrive. So, pinamigay ko na lang. Kawawa naman. Okay na to. Marami na akong pagkain sa bahay. Galing lang kasi ako sa Smith kasi may nagpabili ng mga soft drink, mga ganun. Yung kapitbahay ko na mag-asawa. 82 years old yung babae, 70 naman yung lalaki. Tapos bigla akong kinatok dito. Sabi niya, pwede daw bang bilan ko siya ng Gatorade at saka Coke. Ayun, pumunta ako ng Smith. Dineliver ko na. I do it for free kasi kawawa naman sila eh. May car sila kaso sira naman. Ilang beses ko na rin silang dinala doon sa O'Reilly's at saka AutoZone para sana maayos na. Kaso ngayon, hanggang ngayon hindi pa naayos. So, ako na yung ginawang for the last 3 days. Ako na yung ginawa nilang driver. I do it for free. It's okay. Mahala ng Diyos. Ganun lang yun. Sometimes dumating pagkakataon na may nangangailangan ng tulong, tapos nandyan ako. Tapos pag ako naman nangailangan ng tulong, I'm sure naman na somebody would be there for me too. So God is always there to provide somebody if ever na may kailangan ka, or if ever may nangangailangan din ng tulong, nandun din ako. So ganun lang yun. Oh my God. Sila yung tinutulungan ko na dinadrive ko sila kasi may diferensya yung nila, yung car nila. Pero lagi silang nag-aaway. See? Oh my God. Wala na talaga. Ganyan sila everyday. That's why I've been trying to help them out. Wala na. Oh my God, I don't know. Mahirap din kasing makialam eh. Grabe. At least I tried helping, but ayaw nila namang paawat. So, wala eh. Oh, it's 11:17 at night. And that woman wants me to take her somewhere in order to find her cat that's been missing for a week. At sabi ko, no, I'm not gonna take you at this time of the night anywhere. I mean, I've been helping them, you know, I've been driving them around and something, and then I've been always fighting, and now she just came knocking on my door. She said that she wanted to use my restroom, and I said, because my dogs are actually barking, and I don't want my neighbors to get annoyed because of the bark. So I said, okay, let's go to my other RV para hindi maingay yung mga aso ko. So dinala ko doon sa isang RV ko, doon siya nag-CR, tapos ngayon gusto niyang i-drive ko daw sa isang bar kung saan niya ipinaskill daw yung na missing daw yung cat niya. I'm being abused now. Wala naman silang binibigay sa akin na bayad. Nako, this is no longer. Tapos biglang nagulat dahil sinabi kong hindi, and then bigla na lang siyang lumayas, bigla na lang siyang bumaba sa sasakyan ko. Well, in fact, idadrop ko na sana doon galing sa RV ko. Oh my God. That's it. I've had enough. Sometimes maganda yung tumulong, but if they're really trying to abuse me na in the middle of the night, biro mo 11:07 ng night, gusto niyang dadaling ko siya sa isang bar para daw hanapin yung cat. No, this is too much already. I'm sorry. This is it. This is enough. Buti sana kung binabayaran yung oras ko, gas ko. Hindi. It's been 2 days already na ay naano nila ako kung saan-saan niya, dahil sabi nila na kailangan daw nilang bumili ng ganito, hanggang inaayos yung sasakyan, hanggang hindi pa naayos sasakyan. So ngayon ako naman ginagawa na nilang taga-shop, pupunta sa store para bumili ng kung anong kailangan nila, tapos walang bayad. Nako, tama na yung pagiging nice. Pero ginising niya ako ng 11 o'clock. Diyos ko, day!
You know what? Come here. You want to see me holler some more? No, I don't. You're not going to call on me.